Is this thing on? I am going to a event with Mac. I'm just waiting for Angel to get to the parking lot, then we're gonna walk over together. Welcome to Vlogmas. I'm doing Vlogmas weekly to try and get back into it, but I missed y'all. Okay, I didn't recognize you because your hair. I was like, is that her? Is that someone else? I was like, this will be really awkward if she turns around and it's not her. I'm using this new Fenty Beauty foundation stick just to cover up any redness. I'm just very into lazy, easy makeup. Actually, I'm just traveling with a backpack, I think. Like, I don't think I'll need to bring anything else, which I didn't expect, but I kind of like don't have too much stuff that I want to take another bag. But all my villages fit in this little pouch. And that's my base, pretty much done. I am ready. I'm just waiting for my Uber to get me to go to the airport. Yeah, I will see you at the airport.
Ce vol WestJet R06 à destination de Calgary.
Maybe we should do white. I'm gonna do green. Good morning from the office. It's just me and McKenna. We are gonna shoot some content for a skincare client, so we're just setting up the area right now. Michelle's here. Hello!
Yeah, that's me. Oh. It's a video?
Mention it. Wallet.
Yay, my H&M order has come.
What did you order?
I ordered.
Right back at you. Hi, vlog.
Set up like in the back. Yeah, you're right.
Hey, you need to go on her shoulder. Oh no. Oh.
Wait. I'll go.
I'm back in Vancouver and I'm about to head to the office. Today is an office day for me. There's a lot to do, so let's head out. The place is like kind of a mess because I had an outfit crisis. So from one office to the other office. Let's make dinner. I only have this much rice left, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm using coconut aminos from Trader Joe's. This recipe calls for sugar, but I'm going to do honey instead because health, I guess. And then a bit of sesame oil and pepper. We've got the onions cooking. Can't mix with my left hand, but you get the idea. Added the egg. I think I added too much sauce because it should be like a little bit charred. That's how I like my meat anyways. But I added the egg and then I'm going to top it with green onions and sesame seeds. Gonna do some lactose-free protein milk. Yum. This is what we're dealing with at the moment. There's just a lot of stuff. There's just a lot of stuff everywhere. Okay, so today I just got ready a little bit late. I kind of wasted a couple hours on TikTok, but Brad is out walking the dogs. I need to go to the mall. My best friend lives upstairs, or best friends live upstairs. We live in like a little friend's apartment scenario. She's leaving on a trip today. I'm gonna run up these pants for her to take. Hi.
I hope I have enough stuff, but I feel like I will. Hong Kong is the part where I'm like not sure of what to wear because
Leaving me, 3 weeks.
because I don't know what the
So cozy. We got the Blessed Feels in this gray color. In the pink. Obsessed. Storage.